First thing we want to do is remove the oil fill cap. That's going to help our crankcase breathe properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using an 18mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. While it's draining, now's a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Now we'll reinstall our drain bolt. This time we'll torque it to 16.5 foot-pounds. Now, using a 68mm oil filter wrench, we'll unscrew the oil filter. Now to prep our new oil filter, we're going to apply a thin coat of grease along the outside of the gasket. This is going to help removing the oil filter for the next service a lot easier. And we'll just simply thread it back in place and torque it to 14.5 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Suzuki recommends that this unit hold 3.4 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. Now we'll remove our funnel and reinstall our dipstick. And now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system good. And after it's idled for a few moments, we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it sit for a few more moments. That way we can achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now we'll remove the dipstick and wipe off any excess oil and simply place it on the case and lift it back out to check our oil level. That looks great, so let's hit the road.